Hello everybody, welcome to Your Accent Coach Online. Today's video lesson is about the basic difference between vowel and consonant sounds. So let's have a look at it. A consonant sound involves a complete or partial restriction of the airflow, whereas in the case of a vowel sound, the airflow is free to escape the vocal tract. Consonant sounds are distinguished on the basis of the following characteristics: place of articulation, manner of articulation, voicing. Vowel sounds are distinguished on the basis of the following characteristics: tense and lax vowels, tongue position, roundness. Thank you very much for watching the video. Do subscribe to us if you liked it.